This is the account I use just to demonstrate to you guys, but my other account has like tons of money in it. It's full all the way to the brim of daily spending limit, everything. It's maxed out. This is the biggest site you can leverage. Similar web here to buy traffic all the time, but it's not as popular as Facebook's traffic source and YouTube's traffic source, Google's traffic source. That's because those traffic sources have more targetings and it's more of a warmer traffic and they're not as distracted. Those traffic sources are way more expensive. This traffic source is extremely cheap. So I'm going to show you guys in this video how to actually set up a campaign on TrafficJunky, and it's super straightforward. Here is my CrakRevenue dashboard, and you don't need to have a CrakRevenue account. Some of you guys can't get approved. Some of you guys, a lot of you guys can get approved. This is a CPA network, one of the biggest in the entire industry. They have a bunch of adult offers. As you can see, it's only 6 days into the month so far of January. That's $18,000 just right there. And there's tons of offers here you can promote. I will show you some offers you can promote that will work for you to promote on the big site. There's a bunch of offers here. These ones are super duper. They're very saturated. They've pretty much got in front of everybody you can get in front of. Anyone who's made an account or converted through the offers pretty much converted through the offer. If you were to promote these offers, a lot of people already signed up already. You need to promote new offers and test new offers. And that's what I do a whole bunch of. I have offers I've been running for a long time, and I have offers that I scale super quickly, get as many conversions as I can before other people hop on the bandwagon. And I test like crazy to find new targetings and special ads that I create that literally get tons of brand awareness, tons of clicks, and tons of people into the offers I'm promoting. That's super, super important when you guys are marketing. Can't stress that enough, because when all these high competition offers are here and everyone's promoting them, you're only going to make so much money. The best way to promote these is with free traffic. All these verticals work for the big site or just promoting on TrafficJunky. TrafficJunky isn't just for promoting on the big site. It's for promoting on a bunch of sites. They have a whole slew of sites. So let's build a campaign. I'll show you the site. So if we do a campaign, we just go to bid. That's very simple. You just go there. Also, to add your funds, you can go here, and then there was another button over here you can click on. Now, when I create a campaign name, I'm super fast. I'll just literally do it like that, or I'll just do a bunch of numbers. I know that's weird, but I've made it so many campaigns at this point, I don't even like really name them. Sometimes I do if it's a serious campaign, I need to organize stuff. I'll do that. But to keep it simple, just to demonstrate, I'll do that. In general, I leave that alone, leave this alone. Some offers convert better with desktop or mobile. Mobile offers are usually like a cost per action offer where people just sign up for an app or they sign up for a dating site and they're just given their email, other information like that. But desktop is really good for when you're selling a product. And some offers are great to do both, but it's pretty rare that you're going to have an offer that's great to do both. This is the first ad dimension you really want to use, but you can use any one of these to test. I mean, there's so much reach, so many ad placements that you can just test with. I like to go to all these and make ads specific for all these when I'm testing the offer that is literally making 5x to 10x ROIs, return on investment. You start with this one and then you go up from there, and you can go to other traffic sources from there. There's a bunch of them. There's this one right here, TrafficJunky, and then there's Traffic Factory, then there's ExoClick, then there's Arrow Advertising, and there's more from there on, but those are like the top ones. Based off the offer, you can basically narrow down everything further with selecting these different target groups. So there's straight, gay, and trans, which is some weird stuff. I don't really believe in that stuff. Gender, male and female, you can target, which is really, really good, because in the past they didn't have this ability to target male or female. You can target all. If you are a male, you could target males. If you're female, you could target females. No, just kidding. You can target whoever would convert best for the offer. And so that's really, really powerful because they did not have that ability before to target. Next, you target the country. So are you going to target the United States? You're going to target freaking, it's called Coconut Island or something. When you are selecting the different positions, you can actually select, above the fold, etc. That's when you know your data and you know it's working best. But I like to leave it very broad, and you could just leave it at all. But when you really know your data and you know, footer's converting the best or full screen's converting the best, I can't tell you what's going to convert the best, and then you just go with that, because that's going to make you screw up your learning curve, because every offer is different, every ad you have is different, and they all perform different in different areas. All browsers, I always leave it at all browsers. But if you use a tracker and you see that a certain browser is working better than others, go with it. United States. That's the most common people are going to do. The traffic is very, very cheap compared to the other options that are out here, like Google ads and Facebook ads. Here we are. So it's going to be a static banner, and then you select your creatives. Now, I have a test creative for you guys here that I made, because adult marketing is what this channel is kind of about, and other things I do. So it's a 300 by 250 for demonstration purposes to show you. Now you put your affiliate link here. All my most successful campaigns, guys, they are literally direct linking. I'll pick an offer, just any one of these offers, and I'll get the link. I'll get the affiliate link, and I'll literally just put it right here to test. And why I do that is because everyone who clicks on my ad is going to go straight to the offer and possibly convert. And I'm able to test things much quicker, because if you put a bridge page in between or just a website in between, well, guess what's going to happen? Less people are going to click through. true. It's just how the numbers work. It's just natural. People click to the page, and some people will just leave, and some people will move forward, but it's less people. And you want everyone to reach the offer so you know if the offer's working, and that's what I do. And then I just stick with it. If I really think I can make a bridge page that will convert the offer much, much higher and I'll make even more money, then that's great. I will do that. But it's very, very rare. I like to just fully direct link to offers that are crushing it, and then I just make ads that literally are perfect for the offer and get a high click-through rate and also high conversion rate for the offer. Let's go get a link. Promote this one right here, Royal Cams. And by the way, if you guys don't know TrafficJunky, that's okay. You don't have to have it, but it's cool because you also make extra money from people pressing the back button after they click to your offer, and they get more offers. And then you also get monetized pop-unders. You're basically selling your traffic to people who buy the traffic. It's pop-under redirect. And so it's really, really powerful. You make a lot of money just from that. Okay, there's the link. Boom. You can select different landing pages. Some convert better than others. You usually want to do the best one that has the highest earnings per click on average. Confirm the ad. Boom. The amount you want to do, and everyone asks this question about the budget you should do. The budget you should do for your entire account balance just to get started is like, I think $500, but you can do 250 is the beginner level daily spending limit where your account is ready to go. So you can do $250, but for a daily amount, I like to base that off of how much the offer actually pays out. And so if the offer pays out $4, for example, you'd want to do times 3. And so that'd be $12 per day, and you run it for 3 days, you get all the data you need. If you have a big enough budget, just go ahead, do $50 a day, run it for 3 days. You get conversions as you go. You get a lot of data. When I'm testing a bunch of offers that are new offers, guys, I don't care the price because I know one of them or quite a few of them will turn out to be huge, huge offers that convert like wildfire. I'm willing to spend up to $30,000 as a budget just to test all the offers and quickly set up everything and go with it. And when I see all the data, I'm able to see what the top offers are, and then I'm able to just scale with those ones. When you have a big budget like that, you're able to just test everything and know what is working currently. So that's very, very powerful. $50 a day, that's fine. You can do whatever you want. You can do $10 a day. You can do $5 a day. It doesn't matter. You can do $1 a day, and you can get in front of a lot of people, by the way. But the problem with that is you're not going to get a lot of data if it's just $1 compared to 10 or $100 a day. You would confirm the campaign and then you go forward with it. This account doesn't have any money on it, and obviously nothing's going to convert if I do the campaign I just set up. That was just to show you how easy it is. Those are the things I think about when I create a campaign. Go create a campaign right after doing this. I don't need your money or anything. You can check out my programs if you really want to learn more and actually crush it and make money in your life. This has changed my life. If you want me to do this completely done for you, I'll run all the traffic for you. I'll make the ads for you completely done for you. I just take a small fee on whatever your ad spend is. So check out link down below and let's get started. Peace out, learn machines.